How many push-ups you should be able to do per day. Men's health. The recommended number of push-ups a person should do per day can vary based on factors such as individual fitness levels, goals, and overall health. The quote you provided suggests that, over time, working up to 3 sets of 20 to 25 push-ups a day is a reasonable goal. Here are some considerations. Individual fitness level. If you are new to exercising or push-ups, it's essential to start at a level that is challenging but manageable for your current fitness level. Gradually increase the intensity as your strength and endurance improve. Goals. The number of push-ups you should do per day depends on your fitness goals. If your goal is to build strength and endurance, gradually increasing the number of push-ups can be beneficial. However, if your goal is different, such as overall fitness or muscle hypertrophy, your workout routine may need to include a variety of exercises. Rest and recovery. Giving your muscles time to recover is crucial for avoiding overtraining and reducing the risk of injury. If you're doing push-ups every day, pay attention to how your body responds. And consider incorporating rest days or alternating between different muscle groups. Form and technique. Performing push-ups with proper form is essential to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. If you start to compromise your form due to fatigue, it may be an indication to rest or reduce the number of repetitions. It's important to note that there is no one-size-fits-all answer, and individual capabilities can vary. It's advisable to listen to your body, progress gradually, and adjust your workout routine based on your personal goals and fitness level. If you have any concerns or specific health conditions, consulting with a fitness professional or healthcare provider is recommended before starting a new exercise program.